Empowered by a passion for innovation and driven by a desire to make a difference, we design, manufacture and supply bespoke and standard tyre and wheel solutions. We proudly offer one of the industry's broadest product ranges, spanning agriculture, outdoor and utility, trailer and caravan and beyond. With a technical centre in Germany, 8 tyre and 6 wheel factories worldwide, 6 operations and distribution sites in Europe, and dedicated customer care teams, we can swiftly supply and confidently support you, no matter where you are headed. As a global, family-driven company with more than 60 years of experience, our goals go beyond keeping you moving here and now. We want to push the boundaries of innovation, release the potential of our customers and colleagues, and shape the future of mobility. With a high level of technical knowledge and unparalleled know-how, we strive to be a partner you can work with, rather than just buy products from. We cherish long-lasting partnerships and go to great lengths to understand what you want, so we can supply you exactly what you need. Being agile and thinking differently is in our DNA. That is how we grow. Movement is key to ensure the world progresses. As your partner in mobility, we are proud to keep you moving on tyres and wheels that are fit for life. Welcome to KENDA Europe Specialty.